people, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me Hiral this side. Today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve these neat, fine looking Dutch braids. It's going to be a step-by-step video, so please get along, open your hair, detangle them, and the very first step is going to be detangling your hair. So you're going to use a wooden comb. I'm just kidding, you can use any comb you want. You're just going to need a wide tooth comb. And we will start with brushing out our hair. So what I like to do is I like to part my hair and then I like to brush them because it happens really easily, and I just like to brush them out. Always start from the ends and then brush them all the way to the top. Alright, I'm going to put my hair back. So this is how your hair is going to look like. We have brushed our hair completely, detangled. And now the next step is going to be taking a not a wide tooth comb, a small bristle comb like this one. So the reason why you want this comb is because it's going to help you with the partitioning. It's going to be easier for you. Comparing to this one, this one is going to be better for partitioning. What you're going to do is start from this side, and we're just going to brush every hair at the back just like this, and then you're going to take the tip of the comb and just start with the partitioning. So you're going to start here and you're going to go all the way back. You can see that? Alright, and then put the hair in the front, you can see. See how you brush the hair out completely. Just comb and then just brush it out. Alright, so I'm going to teach you this side first so that you can see properly on how to do it and how to braid. So let's get started. We're going to use a scrunchie and keep it out of the way. We don't want to mix both of them up because then that's a really ridiculous feeling, and then you have to go again and fix everything up. So we're just going to keep it on the side, and we're going to start with this side first. We have combed our hair. Now I will suggest you using a little bit of serum or an oil just to get your hair a little greasy for it to look neat. Otherwise, if you do it on like freshly washed hair like mine, it will be a little hard for you. Otherwise, I don't think there is anything bad, or it's gonna look amazing. But I'm just gonna use, this is my favorite oil in the whole entire world. I've been using this since years, and it is a really non-sticky formula. It's by the brand called Emami. It's not sponsored, but it is an amazing oil if you have you want like long hair. It is amazing. It has every oil in it. It is very famous because it has every oil. You name it, it's having argan, walnut, jojoba, olive, almond, amla, and coconut. It penetrates deep into the scalp, providing nourishment from the roots, hydrates each strand, transforming damaged hair into a softened condition. It's a really, as I said, it's a really non-sticky formula. It's suitable for all skin, scalp, and hair type. And I love this oil so much that I literally ordered. All you're gonna do is just take a little bit, not too much, and you're just gonna rub it through your palms for like 5 minutes or so to really heat it up. You don't want to make it really greasy. This is like a step you should do before applying any serum, any oil, anything. Conditioning your hair, you are supposed to heat it in your hands and then run your finger through it like this. You can run your finger through my hair like that. Especially the ends, because the ends are like the most dry area of the hair. And we're just going to start with brushing up the hair. It happens. We're not focusing on the scalp, we're just focusing on the hair. So that's it. You see how and then hold the hair. So you just hold the hair like this. Also, don't put your hand like this because then it's just going to fall from that snatch braid. You want to do like that to get a perfect shape. Next step, the remaining one, you want to take this one, put it under, take the middle section off, and then just how that is crunch it, and then you can do the third section and do it. See how it's going like that. And the same thing on this side here. This is the middle section is falling out. You're going to do the same thing. Repeat it one more time like that. Take it under, snatch, and then use this. So with this strand of hair, what you're going to do is take a little more hair into this. You put a very tiny section and then put it under, put the middle one and snatch. You see how this hair is falling out? Then you're just going to take this hair, take a little more hair and put it under. And you put it under. Then you hold, you take a little hair from this side and then put it under. You snatch. So you can see how it's kind of like starting to get a little braid on top of your hair. And then you take a little more hair from this side, put it under, snatch. Alright? Then from the other side, this hair, snatch. From this side, add a little more, snatch. And you can see how it's like getting really nice and braided. Trust me, it's looking confusing, it might look confusing, but it's not, it's really easy. You take a little hair, put it under, take the middle one, snatch. You do the same thing on the other side, you take this hair, take a little hair, put it under, and you left with this, snatch. And put your hair in this direction, don't put it like this, put it like this, so that you get that shape. You do the same thing on this side, take this hair, put it under, and snatch. Alright? Take this hair, put it under, and snatch. Snatch. A little more hair. Now the amount of hair you are taking at every step is also going to make sure on how your braid looks like. So if it feels like really nice and defined, so you can say it's starting from really small and then it's going big and so you get a nice braid at the end. That you need, you're going to take little bite of hair, don't take a bunch of hair, just take little piece of hair this time, and that's it. So you start with the head, you will see, and snatch. Also keep on number of fingers to the snatch so that you don't get holes. Then maybe hair somehow in the way, coming in the way, and you want to make sure that not. Now we have reached to the very end, I'm going to take the whole last bunch of hair, and then I'm just going to snatch the back of the hair. So you can see this is how it looks like. It looks like that. Let's start by. Now I think you know how to always braid your hair. Just like that, you will do that. So you can do the hair, put this hair back, crunch, put this hair, put the middle one, crunch, put this hair at the back, crunch, and then you can do the same thing at the very end. Other side now. I'm going to show you one more time just so you can get you can have a little more practice. I will suggest you do it with me as I'm doing this. You also open up your hair, tangle it, and then start it. Again, I'm doing a little bit more of this oil, just a little bit, and I'm just gonna heat it. Then we will do this. Alright, you see, and I'm just gonna run my fingers through the hair. Make sure you get it on this area so that the baby hairs don't like stand and make it look funny. So you're just going to put it on the ends as well. Make sure you put it on the ends really well because the ends are the most dry area of the hair, as I said. I'm just going to brush them out. Alright, taking my comb one last time and just brushing it out. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to show you one more time. So if you didn't understand on this side, I'm going to make sure that you understand. So let's get started. All you're going to do is take your 3 fingers and you're just going to start with the very starting of the scalp and you're going to take about 3 fingers. So just how you run your fingers through this hair, right? You're going to take 3 fingers instead of taking 4 and you're just going to start with this side and you're going to just pull it back. So you see how you're getting that partition? All you're going to do is take this hair and you're going to have 3 strands of hair. All you have to do now, or else I'm going to show you one more, step Another way you can do it is just taking the hair and then take the very starting of the hair. So this is how it's going to look like. So when you partition, it's going to look like a triangle. So what you're going to do is just get rid of this hair, make it look as perfect as possible. This little shape is going to be like a triangle, alright? And then what you're going to do is just brush it out. Then you will brush it back here. Make sure it's like this and not this. Alright, this. And then you will run your 3 fingers and partition. You see the 3 strands? So you're going to hold it from the top, don't hold it here, hold it from the top. And then hold the middle one, hold this one, the fourth one. Now the fourth one is going to go right under. Sorry, not under, I also got confused. So the fourth strand of hair is going to go right on top of the middle one. And the middle one is going to come right here. And then go to the eye area. And then it's going to take the third one, put it under the middle one. And then you can scrunch. Keep your hair like this, alright? You take this one, take out the hair, take out the hair. Process tight it as much as possible, just so in the future and you will not get this bumpy hair running around on the braids. Coming out of the way, coming in the way. Then you can take another hair from that back side and just start it. Trying my best to show you as much as possible. Take this hair, scrunch, brush it out, and then you take this strand, take a little amount of hair, put it back, and then just get 2-3 times, tighten it completely, like you're literally, tying your shoelace. That's the example. I was trying to do crunch and then just do that. To the very end, you just take the very hair, make sure there's no hair at the back, and then just braid it normally. And then you're just going to start by braiding the hair. Dutch braid. It looks really nice, it looks really voluminous and perfect. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. I have a lot of things planned for the future. I really hope that this video was helpful and you understood the step-by-step routine that I showed you. And if you like the video, if you like me, if you like the channel, please subscribe, share and comment as much as possible. And I will see you guys in my next upcoming video. Till then, bye and take care of yourself.